This might be a long video, so bear with me. I've apologized. There is something that I've noticed within Google Search Console. Google Search Console is a tool that helps you know how you're faring inside Google Search. People are raising concerns over unindexed pages, and also some people are raising concerns over the errors. Yes, the errors are very important to look into, so please look into that. But for the unindexed pages, it's important to learn how the web works before you raise any alarm or concern. So one of the things that happens is if the page does not end with a slash, so in our case it's digitalforafrica.com/. If the page does not end with a slash, normally websites will do a redirect to a page that ends with a slash. That's one. So you'd find a lot of the instances, like in our case, the URL /AI has to have a slash at the end. So it will read digitalforafrica.com/AI/. That's the 200 OK redirect URL and not just the slash. So whenever you paste it even in a different tool, it will just give you an error because of that simple thing. Then secondly, every single resource within your website has a URL attached to it. So think of the WordPress ecosystem. When you upload an image onto WordPress, that single image will have a thumbnail, will have a medium-sized image, and also will have the fully large image. All those will have URLs. Then also, when you write an article, that article has a category behind it. That article could have tags, could have other resources also embedded into it, and all those are counted as URLs. Every single tag you add onto WordPress is a URL. Every single category you add onto WordPress is a URL. So you find one resource could have so many ways of referencing to it, and usually the behavior of most search engines, Google included, is it doesn't index everything. It looks at the user's intent, the user's needs, and actually puts those URLs at the forefront and leaves out all the others. Then last but not least, one thing also you should keep in mind is on the technicalities of how these URLs work and the crawling and the indexing and all that. And you can do that at a layer such as Cloudflare. So make sure inside Cloudflare you've enabled the right type of indexing. And also on top of that, inside your server infrastructure, you have robots.txt, you have all the necessary files that will guide the search engines to know how to read your website. So sorry about the long video, but I think this is important to state. Inside your Google Search Console, go and check mostly the errors. On the unindexed files or the unindexed URLs, just go through them one by one. And if you find actually any genuine page that is unindexed, simply just paste the URL at the very top of the box and submit it to Google for indexing.